Here, as you can see, I just prepped my skin by taking a bath. Note that you should not use any active ingredients like skin lighteners and exfoliators few days before doing the microneedling procedure. I just wiped my face off with tissue and applied some hyaluronic acid to my face to keep it moisturized before I perform the procedure. I also applied a layer of aloe vera gel to hold extra moisture in the skin, and it will help lubricate the skin from the back and forth motion of the device. Here is the microneedling device. It is used with a fresh and sterile needles that you can dispose right after the procedure for a more hygienic purposes. The electrical device comes with a 2-meter cord that can be operated with an adapter. Insert the needles on top of the Dermapen and you can instantly switch it on right after you plug it in electrical outlet. Light indicators are also visible depending on the speed of the needles. As you can see, this is my real skin. I switched off any filter and set my 32 megapixel phone's front camera at 1080p video mode. I was always suffering from low self-esteem due to having consistent breakouts and consistently picking my face, mostly when I was younger. This has led me to feel insecure about looking good in person, while I mostly upload the retouched photos online. In my defense, even if there's a lot of adversities around, can I just make myself look good even if it's just in pictures? No one can ever come close to being perfect anyway. The important thing is, we should always look after ourselves. We should take care of our health. We should always make a positive impact in the lives of the people around us. It is never a crime or a sin to make yourself look presentable, because when you look good, you will feel good. That's why having such invention around is such a lifesaver. Microneedling may not make your skin perfect. At least it will help address some skin issues and improve them through constant good skincare habits and technology. As you can see, there's bleeding but the pain is bearable. You can also use topical numbing cream if you are sensitive. The downtime will usually take 3 to 7 days depending on how well your skin will recover from the bleeding and slight swelling. After I finish microneedling, I just applied another layer of hyaluronic acid on my face. I also applied Cicaplast Balm that will help soothe the irritation, and lastly, applying a layer of Lucas Papaw ointment to seal in the moisture and healing ingredients of the products. On part 2, I'll show you the recovery and how my skin looks with simple skin regimen and its final result after 7 days. Thank you very much for watching.